Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Mr. Abdimalik Mohammed. This is IRE class 8. Today, we want us to learn festivals and ceremonies. Under festivals and ceremonies, we have another subtopic called Ashura 10th of Muharram. Class 8 pupils today exactly want to learn what happened in the month of Muharram. We also want us to remind ourselves what is Ashura. Some other previous topics we have learned the meaning of Ashura. So let us try to understand what's Ashura. Class 8, what do you understand by the word Ashura? Ashura, it is a solemn day of mourning of the martyrdom of Sayyidina Hussein, the grandson of the Prophet ﷺ, in the year 960 at a place called Karbala. Karbala is a town that located in the city of Iraq. So this is now the mourning or the commemoration of the death of Sayyidina Hussein in the year 680 AD. In the year 680 AD, and he was killed in a town called Karbala. And this Karbala locates in the city of Iraq. So that's all about Ashura. So what happened the month of Muharram? Let us remind ourselves. This is a noble month. It is a month that contains a lot of blessings. There is specific thing that should be observed in this month. For example, fasting is the first thing that we need to observe in this month of Muharram. So let us try to understand and see what happened exactly the month of Muharram. So this month, the creation of 7 heavens, the land and the sea was created. Also this month, the path of Prophet Adam alayhi salam, Prophet Adam alayhi salam was born. Also in this month, it is the day Nabi Nuh alayhi salam landed on Mount Judi in Turkey after the heavy flood. Also this month, the path of Nabi Ibrahim alayhi salam took place. It is the month where Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam was born. The day when Nabi Ibrahim was to sacrifice his son Ismail. This is also another event that this month took place. So this month also, the day when Nabi Ayub alayhi salam recovered from suffering. We all of us know that Nabi Ayub alayhi salam was suffering for a long time. So exactly he recovered this month, which is Muharram. Also this month, it is the day on which Allah saved Nabi Musa alayhi salam from Fir'aun. We all of us know that Fir'aun wanted to kill Nabi Musa alayhi salam. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala saved Nabi Musa from Fir'aun exactly during this month. Also this month is the day on which Nabi Isa was born. Nabi Isa alayhi salam was also born during this month. Isa bint Maryam. So also this month is the day on which the day of judgment will take place. So this month contains a lot of events, so many events that we cannot actually list them here. But these are some of the events that took place exactly on this month. On this month. So I hope you will understand very well and write as you are listening. In our next part, we want us to see what's all about marriage. Okay, this part we want us to look marriage. Class 8, let us try to understand marriage. In class 5 topic, we have seen what is marriage, the condition of marriage, and why should a Muslim got marriage. We have seen all that. So today let us remind ourselves, what is marriage? Class 8 pupils, what is marriage? So marriage is also called nikah. You have to understand that. Marriage and nikah are one and the same. So marriage is also called nikah. It is the joining of a man and a woman legally in a halal way. Joining of a man and a woman in a halal way. So that's called marriage. The man will become the husband and the lady will become the wife immediately after their nikah. Immediately after the nikah, the man will become the husband and the lady will become the wife. So for nikah to take place, the following should be observed. These are some of the conditions for nikah to take place or the nikah to become very successful. What are some of the conditions? Number 1, the bride and the groom must give their consent, must give their consent with a healthy mind. Number 2, a wali for the girl should be consent now. Wali is anybody who is responsible for the girl. Maybe her parents, her brothers, her uncles, her relatives, anyone who is responsible of her. That's now called the parent guardian. So wali is a parent guardian for the girl, should also be present and also should be health minded and should be also very consent. The other condition is dowry is paid by the groom. So this dowry is also called mehr. So this mehr is the amount of money that's given to the woman as a gift. This dowry is given to the wife as a gift, and it is paid by the groom, not the bride. Also, there must be 2 male witnesses or more than 2 male witnesses of sound character. Men with health character should also be available as a witness. Also, some of the conditions are khutbah is said to advise the couples. So khutbah is being said by the ghadi. That's also another condition. A ghadi should be present to make sure he fulfill or he successfully conduct the marriage. And khutbah he has to give also to advise the couples. The other condition is the dowry is the property of the bride, not a parent, not a relative, not a friend, not a brother. No, the dowry is owned by the bride. This dowry is entitled by the wife. It's her property. Nobody can interfere. So it's also haram to overspend on wedding. Some of our people, current and modern days, they overspend, they use a lot of money, and that's extravagant. And our Prophet ﷺ has warned us not to be very overspending during our wedding ceremonies. Let us look the next part and then see what is there. Also this part, it is sunnah for every adult to get married to observe the following. So every Muslim male and female adult will get married one day, will one day get married. They will one day become very mature, they will get married, and they will give birth to a very beautiful children. So for them to get married, what are they supposed to do? The marrying couples must be adults. That's number 1. So you cannot marry someone who is underage, someone who is in the age of childhood. No. So the marrying couple should be adults. Next, the marrying couples must agree to each other free will. So there must be agreement between the male and the female. The male and the female. These are 2 people who want to get married. So also there must be 2 male witnesses during that time of nikah. The bridegroom must agree to pay the agreed amount of mehr. Now mehr is the amount that is paid by the bridegroom, and he has to agree to pay the specific amount of dowry. In that few remarks, I hope you will listen very carefully, and I will make sure I will give you some assignment over this topic, and I also want you to write as you are listening. In that few remarks, I wish you all the best.